Today, let's find out about the origin of street food. It is believed that as the first distribution point of street food, small fried fish was sold on the streets in ancient Greece. Street food was widely consumed by poor urban residents of ancient Rome whose homes did not have ovens. In ancient China, where street foods generally catered to poor, wealthy residents would send servants to buy street foods and bring meals back to their master to eat in their homes. A lot of people who have not been exposed to the street food culture shy away from it thinking it is unhealthy and unhygienic. However, one would be surprised to note that despite concerns about contamination at street food vendors, the incidence of such is low with multiple studies showing rates comparable to restaurants. A well-known Australian culinary Brian, who was on a culinary tour to India, observed that the small regional food vendors and hawkers across India mostly sold freshly cooked meals using fresh ingredients. So now you know which was the first street food of the world. See you tomorrow.